In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know what size my design is in Canva. Knowing your exact canvas size is essential, whether you're creating a social post, a story, a thumbnail, or a print piece. It helps you avoid blurry exports, awkward cropping, and platform rejections. To check your size quickly, open your design in the Canva editor. Then head to the top left corner and click File. In that drop-down, you'll see your design's dimensions listed, for example 1080px by 1920px. Canva shows this as width by height. This is the fastest way to confirm whether you're working in the right format, and it works the same in both free and pro accounts. If you're designing for a specific platform, compare those numbers with the platform's recommended size before exporting to make sure everything matches. If you want a more precise view or need to check units beyond pixels, there's another place to look. With your design open, click Resize Magic Switch in the top left toolbar. Select Resize, then choose Custom Size, or simply click the current dimensions you see there. This opens a panel that displays your current width and height and lets you switch units between pixels, inches, millimeters, and centimeters. Use pixels for digital formats like social media, web banners, or thumbnails. Choose inches, millimeters, or centimeters for print so your design matches physical specifications. You can also type new values here to resize your canvas. Keep in mind that resizing is a pro feature. If you're on the free plan, you may see an upgrade prompt. Even so, this panel is still useful for confirming your exact dimensions and the unit you're working in. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.